So congratulations on finishing the course JIRA for Beginners. And to conclude, in this course you have learned JIRA Basics, wherein we have covered what is JIRA, what are issue types in JIRA, customizing your profile info, learning dashboard and gadgets. We have learned about JIRA project introduction, wherein we have covered what is a project in JIRA, how do you create a project, difference between Scrum and Kanban project, etc. We have also seen JIRA issues in detail, wherein you have gone through the different issue types like epic, story, bug, tasks, and subtask. We have learned how to find issues in JIRA using basic search and some of the very important queries in basic search. And finally, we have learned how to work on issues in JIRA. How do you transition issues? How do you get issues done? And many other details like linking the issues, logging time against issues, etc. So congratulations once again on finishing the course. And do visit the websites rcvacademy.com and softwaretestingmentor.com to get comprehensive resources on software testing and many other technologies. If you have any queries or questions, post in the questions column and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.